In this video, you will learn how to compress any MP4 video file to smaller size without actually losing your video quality. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. To get this done, we're going to be using the VEED MP4 compressor. So what we have to do is just go to Google and then search for it. So you can see I've already searched for it before, VEED MP4 compressor. So just search for that and you are going to see the main website at the top. So you can see veed.io. So all you have to do is just go to the main website. So once in the main website, just scroll below. You're going to see compress your video. Click on it. So now it's just going to load up a little bit. All you have to do is just wait for it to fully load up. Now once it's done loading up, all you have to do is click on this upload a file icon that you can see over here. So now all you have to do next is just select the file that you actually want to compress. So once you click open, it's actually going to like upload the file into the server. So once it's done uploading, the next thing that you have to do is to click this quality section and then select either medium, low or high. So I will mostly suggest that you use medium or high so that you can actually keep your video quality. So for this video, we'll be using medium. So once you click on that, you can actually choose your resolution, but I actually prefer this resolution that I'm using right now, so I will stick to it. So once you scroll below, you actually see that it's saying you will save up to 29 MB. So let's click on compress video. Alright, now it's actually done compressing my video. So what I have to do next is click on download file. So now it's actually done downloading. So let's go to my file manager so we can do some quick comparison. So let's check on the original file that I uploaded to their server. So if you check this original file, you see that this file is actually larger. So let's click on properties. You see that this file is actually 36 MB. So let's go and check on the one that I downloaded from their server that was compressed. So if you click on download, you actually see the one that you got from their server. So let me check and see. So if I'm actually checking the properties, you can actually see the size is 1.50 MB. So you can see that this is actually smaller than the original size. So this is actually a quick and free way for you to compress any video that you actually have on your device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.